Malasa no ono onye nipa hu ono onye voter region one ofi na mo ahemfofo no ahemfa ayemu kente rubber kente dia betna emu tutu e dia betna a press conference ase the voice.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Charlie, we are calling on the Achim chiefs and then their kingsmen and the authorities that be that they should not sit down and watch for the name of their son, JB Danquah, Dr. JB Danquah, to be taken into gutters, to be swelled. No, you see, Ghana, or my friend Ghana, a dinu crampono is an idea of JB Danquah. The name Ghana, a dinu, is an idea of JB Danquah because JB Danquah, or you'll be now name dear pa. He has studied history, and per history, he knows the history of the Ghanaian Empire. It was a very great empire that was existed at some point, I think in the 11th century or 12th century thereabout. And the kind of reputation that empire had, and no sooner JB Danquah recommended say, Gold Coast no. Yes, it's an called Ghana to have that reputation of that great empire that existed. Now, Obia ultimate dream a dia and using a neno. Now, Obi to say Muntala. Ni constituency mono. Wanti me ye kwan ba kumpo. Wanti me find ni sika. Aye kwan ba kumpo ni constituency mono. Ultimate sorry of parliament say. Onu book be catching say JB Danquah a traitor. Na okay we okasa we enso no say obi wo MPP side okoka say Rollis a traitor Rollis Jezanato daughter of a murderer there enu de say no chiefs no so omumpini NDC for feel say ya omunkwa na mutimi gidigidi, but it is high time to let them know say no, we all can do that. Say back gidigidi Yenina yebetimi ayebi. Just say a respect for the democracy we are enjoying. And enusu entina yemu bebre ayedin. Enti the way they are taking our leniency for granted, or taking our leniency for our weakness, no. Enough is enough. Now say Anlo chiefs, our revered Anglo chiefs will do press conference because Obia catch resonator say ni papa na okunkum microphone. Enye Achim for Mtcheww den. Achim for Mtcheww den. Achim for you waited you watch as they called Akufo-Addo your son all manner of names. And then so Obia wewu 60 years ni that we are na yenim say or a national hero. JB Danquah is a national hero. You know your name. But you met say ama Muntala want me din fiasem. Muntala want me din fiasem no. You will sit down for him to desecrate the name of your a son that made you proud. Don't accept that. Our revered chiefs in the Achim land don't accept that. Get up. You to call for Muntala to apologize. Ask Muntala to also apologize for calling a son of your land a traitor, a CIA worker. Adia JB Danquah ya magana no. Muntala otimiye even half amani constituents. Ewo baby awono.
For yai yeni no onua hunto ne dala dem na enye kufu anka ne twu obonanim kenye bi ni etwu hania na ebonanim mo bode mana se na yemo Lydia say na Malasa no ono onye nipa hu ono onye voter region one ofi na mo ahemfofo no wo hanfa ayemu kente rubber kente dia betna emu tutu e dia betna a press conference ase The Voice. You can say achim for chebi for any JB Danquah busuafo omo wo hinfa omo kingsmen wen omo so to me press conference ni bi Zaneto so wonni mu akofra mu chief mu busuapeni mu akaka bibi ankyere na ohu mu nim nyansa ka munko tumfo na munko sere boniface wate ya yedi ni yehwe mu mako brikurani fiti en 3 days me bra ho mako bri ekuru ankasa ekuru kese en mako bri ma shankrofo rewo ma shankrofo eni ya fraud daughter a madras daughter enu de obuofu na abodam unni papa de yobi you were able to grow with your father bebre hu papa no besi ne omo maame no maame penifu a omo ye respect you omo ye wrom hu ne abom twema ba ne mu afiri moja Zanato woni wa hemfofo no ahu kodo kaka bibi kira omo ani mutala munyina minimum 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 emua me pato bi sun tuaso.
Talk about the whole nation. And nam JB Danquah so na ebenya president bi said na Akufo-Addo. Now what won him no go and read the impact na Akufo-Addo has made in this nation even before he became president and when he became president. So far, the best president we've had, if you don't agree, argue with your own phone. The best president we've had in this nation, in the Fourth Republic, is Nana Akufo-Addo. And he is a descendant of JB Danquah. And the pastor will be better now, baby. No, kase, ena. JB Danquah is a traitor, no. Achim chiefs and kingsmen. Do not sit down and watch that happen. Get up and defend your name. Get up and defend your name. Because NDC for no, they are trying as much as possible to divide us as a nation. Aden. NDC for we are na communicate akoka say ekufo ni ade boni a oye entina they say owo wheelchair mu. Have you heard that guy? They let them come out to apologize. He did not come to apologize. NDC people supported him. Now, Moody, I catch them say, you are a daughter of a murderer. Who see who your hinity and today. Achim for I'm sorry. Achim for you to get up. Demand for apology from Muntala. So more apologize there and the boy nyina. If they won't apologize, boy nyina. Because he who is calling for equity must call for equity with clean hands. Now, Lydia Sarah Malasan, Onya Igbeni. So young nani. When NDC people called her a bloody widow, did our chiefs come out to defend her? Aden Bruce Sudodo. Aden. This has been a political rant with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Cheers.